आज सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का 35th बर्थडे है। खबर आ रही है उनके लॉयर से, एक .com के हवाले से। उनके लॉयर वरुण सिंह से कुछ सवाल पूछे गए, उस पर उनका क्या जवाब आया, क्या प्रतिक्रियाएं आई, क्या स्टेटमेंट आया, वो मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ। वरुण सिंह, about the latest development Sushant's death case, and here's what he had to say. He has to say, there has been some communication as far as what investigation has happened so far. The fact that it's taken so long creates some embargo or prejudice to the case itself. So much time has passed, so many witnesses and evidence have been collected. If these things are not produced in the court of law through a charge sheet, then there are chances of it being influenced, either the witness becoming hostile or evidence being tampered. So each passing day becomes dangerous for the complainant itself. The delay in investigation causes more and more anxiety for the family and for the fans. Whether the truth will come out or not, like any other complainant, this family also has its doubts. There is a chance of the evidence not coming out as properly as it should be. Maybe between the lines, this case may lose its sting. Whatever has come out of this case, it has come out for the good and better. Drug is a national issue and needs to be tackled. Having said that, those things controlling the news in terms of this case, it does cause some impediment for our case for sure, and that is a cause of concern for everyone. Until and unless the AIMS report becomes a part of the charge sheet, we will not be privy to it. The initial case filed by the family was for abetment to suicide. Even if AIMS report rules out murder, in worst case it cannot rule out the abetment angle, which has arisen from many facts that have come to light in the past year. Those facts need to be dotted together to see abetment to suicide case is made or not. After the investigation, we had certain doubts in our mind as some of the close people residing in the house had turned hostile towards the family. It made us believe that maybe this could be a case of murder, and maybe those facts that have come out during investigative journalism to show that certain things that come out from the date of the incident indicated that this could have been murder. Even if the AIMS report come out in any manner and says this is not culpable homicide, that alone can't determine murder or not. Secondly, the report won't be determining the fact for the case of abetment of suicide. We will have to discuss with the family, but as legal right, they can file a protest petition to the closure report. The amount of attachment this case had globally, the truth will come out, and in no way justice can be brushed aside. I am confident about that. So many prayers of this legendary person who passed away. I am sure there will be something concrete that will come out for all to be happy about the fact that justice has prevailed. ये कहना है वरुण सिंह, लॉयर फैमिली के सुशांत सिंह राजपूत केस में। ये एक अपडेट है जो मुझे लगा मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूं। ये एक खबर आई लॉयर की तरफ से न्यूज़ इंडिया 18.com के हवाले से। तो फिलहाल इतना ही, कुछ और खबरों के साथ कुछ देर में फिर से जुड़ूंगा। धन्यवाद।